Experiencing trouble skipping songs on your AirPods Pro 3 with the double or triple press? You're not alone. Released in September 2024, these earbuds sometimes have unresponsive touch controls. But the good news is, it's usually a software issue. Let's start by understanding the touch controls across AirPods generations. First, ensure your iPhone or iPad is updated to iOS 18.1 or later. Then confirm your AirPods Pro 3 firmware is up to date. These updates often contain fixes for gesture recognition. Also, make sure the Spotify settings are correct and device broadcast status is enabled. If updating doesn't solve the problem, try resetting your AirPods Pro 3 by going to Settings on your iPhone. This recalibrates the device and can resolve connectivity issues affecting touch controls. Next, check the touch sensitivity and customize the tap actions. In Bluetooth settings, find your AirPods Pro 3. Look for options to customize these gestures if they are not working correctly. Dirty sensors can cause touch issues, so gently clean the earbud stems with a soft, dry cloth. This restores sensor accuracy for reliable touch controls. If problems persist after these steps, contact Apple support for further assistance.